Kahit si Pangulong Duterte, inaamin na niya may problema ang DPWH, no? At 2016, 2017, 2018, binabanggit na po ni Senator Villanueva dito sa Senado yung problema ng flood control, lalo na po sa Bulacan. And during that time, Mr. Chairman, masama ang loob natin kasi walang flood control funds ang Bulacan during that time. Laging binabaha. Halos wala na flood control funds. Noong 2023, ang laki na ng flood control funds, pero it has worsened. Mas binabaha na yung Bulacan, no? Noong 2023. And ang nakakalungkot po doon, may mga pondo na hindi namin malaman bakit doon nilagay, hindi doon yung problema. Tapos, noong 2024, dito rin po sa Senado, yung speech ko nga po noong 2023, opening remarks doon sa Committee ng Public Works. Sabi ko, the same speech na lang noong 2023, noong 2024. Kasi pareho lang, the same thing, walang nangyari. Gaya ng sabi ko, before 2023, walang pondo. Noong 2023, mas nakakagalit kasi may pondo na pero hindi naman nilagay doon sa master plan. Wala naman din pong master plan. In fact, in 2023, I made mention about this. Ano ba talaga yung proseso ng DPWH? At ang sabi nila, kailangan daw ng feasibility study. In fact, they asked me to look for funds for feasibility study, Secretary. And then nag-fund po tayo noon. And it took them 2 years. 2 years, ginawa yung feasibility study. 2023, hindi naman ginamit yung pondo dun sa feasibility study. 2024, hindi pa rin. And in fact, right now, as we speak, Secretary, I don't think ginagamit po ito.